This is Hilda from Children's Legacy Partnership. I'm here showing you the importance of these reusable pads that we bring to the community, to the girls. We as Children's Legacy, as we do our community activities, we faced a challenge. We came up with an idea after seeing that many girls in rural Uganda are having a challenge of having reusable pads. We used to give out disposable pads, but as time went on, we realized that it is not cost effective and it is really dangerous to the community because it degrades the environment. These pads you're seeing here are so useful to the girls because it helps ease their education system. The girls access education because during their menstrual cycles, these girls, as you can see them, are so free and are very comfortable to go and attend lessons without leakages. So what we decided as Children's Legacy Partnership, we came up with a menstrual kit that we give out to the girls in the communities. As you can see, our kit comprises of quite a number of items, including reusable pads. As you can see them, we pack these pads in our kit. We put in 2 crochet case fabric bags. These bags are used by the girls to keep their menstrual pads. This is used to keep the dry pads, and this one, the girls use it to keep the used pads. In this kit, we decide to bring 2 knickers for the girls because in rural Uganda, our families are living below a very low poverty line lifestyle. It is hard for parents to access money to buy even undergarments for these young children. So what we do, according to the funding we have, we put in the number of pads according to the facilitation that we have. This time around, we've decided to put in 2 knickers for these girls. We even purchased some soap, washing soap for the girls, because we realized in our communities the mothers are not able to provide soap for these young girls during their menstruation periods. This exposes them to a lot of diseases, including infections like candida and other infections. So when we get this soap, it helps them throughout the cycle, and these girls keep this soap so well so that it can keep them for some small time. It is just a relief soap because it works for a short time, but it really helps a lot. What we do, we even secure for them a bucket, a small bucket, because it provides them with privacy. It helps them to keep hygiene, and it even helps the young girls to feel secure with their reusable pads. Since these pads are washed on a daily basis, these girls cannot share the same basins with their parents. So this bucket helps a lot in this kit. We finally decide to make for them a bag. These bags are made by our girls at the Skilling Center, just like the way the pads are made by the girls. We package this, giving it to the girls so that they can feel happy, comfortable, and they can keep their period supplies safe. Thank you, everyone. We shall welcome anyone who will stand with us to make sure that quite a number of girls benefit from this kind of activity. Thank you, everyone. May the Lord bless you all.